In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a project in Submagic. Use the B-roll feature to automatically split it into sections and add transitions for a polished finish. First, open your preferred browser and head to submagic.co. Make sure you're on a stable internet connection so everything loads smoothly. Log in, and if you work across multiple spaces, choose the account you want to work with. That will take you straight to your dashboard, which is your central hub for all projects. From here, you can either start fresh or pick up where you left off. If you're beginning something new, select Create a Project. If you already have a project in progress, simply open that existing project. Both paths lead you into the same workspace where you'll be able to organize your timeline, adjust settings, and prepare for edits. Once you're inside the project, head over to the B-roll section. This is where Submagic does a lot of the heavy lifting for you. The moment you enter B-roll, it will automatically split your project into sections. Think of these sections as chapters or beats in your video. This auto-organization makes it easier to navigate, review pacing, and keep your story clear. Give it a moment to process, especially if your project is longer. When it's done, you'll see those segments laid out in a way that's easy to follow. Take a quick pass to make sure the sections align with your content flow. This helps you spot spots that might need smoothing later. With your sections in place, it's time to add transitions. Transitions are what help your video feel cohesive as you move from one section to the next. Keep your purpose in mind here. Choose transitions that enhance clarity rather than distract. Simple cuts and subtle dissolves often work best for educational or professional content, while more dynamic transitions can suit faster-paced edits. Apply transitions between the sections where you want movement to feel natural and keep the style consistent so the video has a unified look. It's always a good idea to preview a few spots to check timing and ensure nothing feels jarring. And that's it. You went to submagic.co, logged in and chose your account, created a new project or opened an existing one, used the B-roll feature to automatically split your project into sections, and then added transitions to bring everything together. With those steps, you've set up a clean, structured workflow that makes editing faster, clearer, and more professional.